Now we are coming on question number 4th, its fourth part. Place A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each of them meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? See case first. Say one car start at point A and one car starts from point B, and these two cars, they are 100 km apart. It means distance between A and distance between B is 100 km. The car which is starting from A, we don't know its speed. Let its speed be x km per hour. Let the car which is starting from point A, its speed be x km per hour. Let the car which is starting from point B, its speed be y km per hour. In case first, both car, the one which is starting from point A and the one which is starting from point B, both are say meeting at point C. Let they are meeting at point C, and when they are meeting at point C, the time taken by both of the cars to reach at point C is 5 hours. In 5 hours they are reaching at the point C. Now distance covered by car starting from point A. See here, distance covered by the car from point A. It means the distance which is travelled by car which is starting at point A is AC, from A to C. We know distance is equal to speed into time. So the car which is starting from A, its speed is x. Its speed is x. And time taken by car to reach at point C is 5 hours. So x multiplied by 5. It is equal to 5x kilometer. Distance covered by car which is starting at point A is 5x kilometer. It means from this point A to C is 5x kilometer. Now distance covered by car starting from point B. We know distance is equal to speed into time is equal. This speed of car which is starting from point B is y kilometer. So y speed is y, and in 5 hours it is reaching at point C. So 5 into 1. It can be simply written as 5y kilometer. Say it as second. Now see here, the car which is starting at point A, it has travelled AC, and the car which is starting at point B, it has travelled BC. Now if we are going to subtract this BC, we are going to subtract this BC from AC, then we are getting AB. Again please pay attention. If we are going to subtract this BC from the whole line AC, then we will get only AB, and distance between AB is 100 km. See here, AC it is 5x minus BC it is 5y from first and second, and distance between these two is 100. Thus we are getting first equation. We will further solve it. We have taken 5 as a common. Within bracket it remains x minus y is equal to 100. Or 5 from left hand side, we have taken it to the denominator of the right hand side. 100 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 20s are 100. So 20 by 1, it can be simply written as 20. X minus y is equal to 20. Say this one as third equation. Now after this, we are coming on the second case. First equation we have got, that is x minus y, it is equal to 100 km. X minus y, it is equal to 20 km. Now after this, we are coming on the second case. See what the second case is. The second case is both car, they are traveling in the opposite direction, not in the same direction. The car from A, it is moving in this direction, and the car from B, it is coming in this direction. Both are meeting at this point C. So, and the speed of the car which is starting at point A, it is x, and the car which is starting at point Y, its speed is y. Now see here, time taken by both car to reach at point C, it is 1 hour. Therefore, distance covered by car is starting from A. We know distance is equal to speed into time. So, distance covered by the car which is starting from point A. It is speed into time. Its speed is x. In 1 kilometer, it has traveled the distance of AC. So, multiplied by 1, it is equal to x kilometer. It means from A to C is x kilometer. Now, see here, distance covered by car is starting from B. Formula for it is speed into time. So, its speed is y. In place of speed, we are writing y. And in 1 hour, the car travelled from B to C. So, y multiplied by 1, it is y kilometer. So, from A to C, this is x kilometer. From B to Y, this B to C, this is y kilometer. It means AC plus BC is equal to 100 kilometer. Or AC plus BC is equal to AB. In place of AC, we will write here x kilometer. In place of BC, we will write here y kilometer. And total sum is 100 kilometer. X plus y is equal to 100. Say this one as fourth equation. Now we will add third and fourth. Earlier we have got in third equation x minus y is equal to 20. And fourth equation is x plus y is equal to 100. Y minus y plus y will be cancelled out. X plus x, it is 2x. Now this 20 will be added to 100. It becomes 120. Or 2x is equal to 120. We have to simply find out value of x. So we will keep it alone. This 2 will divide this 120. Then we are getting 2 1s are and 2 60s are 120. And value of x we are getting 60. Say this one as fifth one. Now on putting x is equal to 60 in equation fourth. That is x plus y is equal to 100. In place of x, I have written here 60. 60 plus y is equal to 100 or y is equal to 100 minus 60. Its value is coming 40. So, speed of car is starting from point A. It is x. Value of x we have got as 60 from fifth equation. So, speed of car starting at point A is 60 kilometer. And speed of car is starting at from point B. It's y. Value of y is 40 from sixth equation, you see. So, value of car starting from point B, it is y. Its speed is 40 km per hour. That's all for today. Thank you.